Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Friday and we're starting off with a good one. $24.40 for 40 minutes. It might be taking me slightly out of my zone, but you know what? $24 to start is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go grab that, but while I do that, if you can like this video and if you are new, please subscribe. We do 2 ride-alongs a week. Come for the ride and let's go grab it. Good, how about you? Ubereats for Ray. Yes.
Perfect. Got 2 bags for you.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Yeah, will do. Thanks.
Hello.
Oh, how you doing?
Good, you?
There's both your
Thanks
bags.
so
You got
much.
it? Perfect.
Have a wonderful night.
You too. Thanks so much.
you.
Bye. So that last order took me 30 minutes. The estimate was 40 minutes. I believe they gave 5 minutes for waiting at the restaurant. It was ready. But when I was ready to go, the Uber navigation told me 5 minutes longer than my Tesla navigation. So I trusted the Tesla navigation. I started to go and then Uber instantly changed and knocked it down 5 minutes. Uber, why are you sending us way out of our way? You're making me go through the city when I could have just jumped on the highway and made it quick. I did the right thing. I went on the highway, made it quick, all done. $24 in my pocket, gotta love it. And about 10 minutes later, when I got back into my zone, I got this one, $11.38, 25 minutes. Yes, this night's shaping up. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Tyler. Sure, sounds good. Thanks. Is that for me? Yes. Thank you. Appreciate that.
No problem.
You have a good night. That's okay. Thank you. Another order in the books. I had to wait a little bit, but it wasn't that bad of a wait, but I got that delivered. As I went to take the photo, this popped up. It's actually telling me what I should do to take a photo. So I'm gonna read this just to make sure I get this right. Take a photo of this order. Taking a photo can help customers find their order. A good photo includes a house or apartment number. You may skip this step if you've already delivered the item to the customer. Then they showed some pictures. One that shows the door or a house number, and one that shows a close-up of the bag. Is this something that Uber thinks we need? Is there someone in Uber headquarters that says, you know what? We need to show the drivers exactly what they need to do. It's common sense to take a picture of the full door, the apartment number, getting everything in there. I always make sure I include the bag. But really, do we need this? And is it going to pop up every single time? Focus on the things that matter to drivers, not this stuff. You know what matters to me? An order like this, $10.07 for 16 minutes. Absolutely, I'm going to take that one. Let's go grab some pizza. Hi, Uber Eats for David.
Dave.
Perfect. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. How are you tonight?
Okay.
Good.
Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy. So I guess I was having too good of a night because Uber's given me no offers. Well, I've had some offers, but they're $3, $4, not great offers, not ones I would remotely consider. But it's been about 30 minutes. I've been driving around, going from different spots, not really getting anything. Finally got this one worth taking. $6.61 for 9 minutes. It's really just around the corner. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Hannah. Perfect, thank you. You too. So it seems like every Leave It door I've had tonight has had that message telling me how to take a picture properly. I really don't get it. Okay, you gave it to me on my first Leave It door. No problem. Now you're giving it to me every time. I just wanted to take the picture and go, but it was in my way. Sure, I just had to swipe it away and I can continue, but don't give it to me every time. It's so annoying. This feature does not matter. Improve your navigation that I spoke around earlier. There's so many other things you can do. But onwards and upwards, I'm going to take this offer. $9.48 for 19 minutes. Offers are starting to really slow down, so this one's not too bad. It's only 10 minutes away. I've hit the buzzer, but no one's come yet.
We are also doing Uber pickup.
Yeah, me too.
We are also. That is not like a drive.
Hi, FF298 Uber.
Okay, one at a time. You first.
Yep, FF298. Lisa.
Okay, and you?
4648.
And you?
No.
Okay, let me check on you guys, okay?
Thank you.
Sorry, is there a 48E? Are you here, anyone here for 48E?
Yeah, that's my deal.
Okay,
Thank you.
and let me just check. We're getting a really bad memory, bro.
FF298.
Oh, behind you. Sorry.
Is that the one?
299? Oh, that's him.
Jackpot.
Perfect.
There you are, sir.
I'll take it. Thank you.
Am I on camera?
I'm sorry?
So am I on camera?
Yes, you are.
Yes.
Looks like I'm back on a roll. I got this one. $7.05, 16 minutes. Hopefully this trend continues and we can make more money. Hi, Ubereats for Brandon. 099E7. Wonderful. You too. Thank you. That one was ready. It was only one burger, super quick, done in under 10. And then we got this one, $9.12 for only 12 minutes. If this is ready, this will be done in 5 or 6 minutes. Everyone has the late night munchies and I'm loving it. Hi, is this Uber for Ashley and Duncan? Thank you. Hi, Uber Eats delivery for you.
Hi, thanks.
Perfect.
I tipped you on the app thing, but
Yep.
what's best for you guys? Like, if I do it that way, do you have to split your tips and all that?
No, that way is actually better.
Is it?
Because
Okay.
they show it to us,
Yeah.
and then if we, like, you'll get $2 or $3 as like what Uber would give you, and if you didn't tip in the app, your food would wait there longer because drivers wouldn't take it.
Yeah.
So if you tip in the app, people will.
Yeah.
You'll always get it on time.
Yeah. Oh,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care. Yeah, EF66. Thank you. Okay, we got our final orders of the night. Take a look at this one. $12.17, 18 minutes. It says it's going to the same address. Judging by the street, I'm thinking it's going to a hotel, but they have different names. It'll be interesting to see if it goes to the same hotel room, or is it going to be 2 different rooms in the same hotel. Stay tuned, find out. Stick with me and we'll see my grand total momentarily. Awesome. Thank you.
No problem.
Good luck. Hi, Uber Eats for Maud.
Alrighty, sir.
Perfect. Appreciate that. Thanks. Have a good night. Yeah. You waiting for a delivery?
Yes.
Under what name?
Perry Lynn.
Yeah, I got it right here for you. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. So of course Burger King was not ready. I was starting to think that it was late. Maybe they were going to be on it, but they were moving so slow. There was another driver super annoyed as well. We were waiting. I just wanted to get this order done. I knew I had a second pickup. That one was ready and I came straight over. I was waiting because the person said I'll be outside in a white shirt, dark pants. And eventually the guy came out. Perfect, that was done. The other one was ironically right next to his room. Dropped that one off. So it was a different address, but it was 121 and 119, really, really close together. You didn't get the second drop off because my battery died. It's been a good night. So good that I made $107.47. It feels so good to crack the $100 mark. It's been a while since I've had that. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like this video. I deserve it. Triple digits. It's been a long time, and we'll see you next time.